How will all of these cues impact our own markets? We have our research team joining in with the trade setup, the stocks that are likely to be in the news, and of course the setup on the F&O side of things. First up, Vivek joins in to get all the market cues we need to watch out for today. Vivek, good morning. It is a subdued handover, but the Gift Nifty suggesting a pretty good start.
Well, good morning, and you're absolutely right. So lackluster set of cues is what we've seen from the global markets, like you mentioned at the start. US, Europe, both of them ending lower. What's actually boded quite well is the fact that oil prices too have continued to go lower, and in fact now at a fresh 9-month low. When you're talking about WTI crude, yesterday it slipped below the $70 a barrel mark. So once again today, the focus will be on oil sensitives like OMCs as well as paint companies. Now coming to the Indian markets yesterday, in line with the global markets did fall. And in fact, we went ahead and snapped a 14-day winning streak. But what we actually saw throughout the trading session was that there was significant buying emerge at every dip, and we ended well off the session lows. Now, along with that, the small cap index was something that actually outperformed the benchmark indices. And like we mentioned, what actually did well in yesterday's trading session were the oil sensitives. So names like the entire OMC pack, names like BPCL, HPCL, IOCL, the entire paint packs, Asian Paints, Berger, all of them did very well. But on the other hand, tracking the fall in Nasdaq, you did see the IT pack fall quite significantly in the session. What is it that we'll be watching out for today? Now, one of the main events today will be the fact that Reliance will be considering the bonus issue in the ratio of 1:1. Raymond Lifestyle, the main business as far as Raymond is concerned, will list today. Like you mentioned, Asian markets, Gift Nifty. Asian markets mixed, Gift Nifty indicating a gap up start for us.
Vivek, thanks a lot for that update. Over to Sudarshan now, who joins in with the stocks that you need to watch out for this morning. Sudarshan, good morning. What's on your list?
Morning, Harma. So we'll start with Reliance Industries. Heavy Industries Ministry has awarded 10 gigawatt capacity under PLI ACC scheme, that ACC Advanced Chemistry Cell. And besides this, today Reliance Industries board will be considering bonus issue in the ratio of 1:1. For Suzlon Energy, it has sold One Earth property for Rs 440 crore to OE Business Park. Century Textiles has announced that it will give corporate guarantee of up to Rs 400 crore to Hindalco for a land parcel in Thane. Sona BLW QIP is launched, and sources say company is looking to raise up to Rs 2,400 crore and indicative price in the range of 675 to Rs 700 per share. GIC-RE government has announced that it will exercise oversubscription option in the OFS, and for non-retail investors, OFS was subscribed 1x, and for retail investors, OFS will open today. Glenmark Pharma, it has settled with US Department of Justice, and this settlement is for false claims and anti-kickback investigation. Company will be paying $25 million, 6 installments over 5 years. Apollo Hospitals has incorporated subsidiary for insurance business, Allied Blenders, to acquire up to 80% stake in a company to be formed with 050 talent. And this company is represented by actor Ranveer Singh, and this JV to be formed for luxury and premium spirits business.
Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that. But stay on. Tell us also cues from the F&O space. What's the setup looking like over there?
So if you talk about yesterday's session, it was not a bad day of trade. We made a sharp intraday recovery, and at the close, we closed almost near day's high. And as far as today is concerned, after subdued global cues, Gift Nifty is indicating a start with a huge gains. Talking about institutional activities, we continue to see buying by both FIs and DIs. FIs bought shares of almost Rs 1,000 crore, DIs bought shares of almost Rs 100 crore. But in index futures, we saw FIs selling more than Rs 1,300 crore. And they have added net long contracts of almost 2.20 lakhs, and with this, long exposure now stands at 68%. On the option side, we saw major activities in the call side. In 25,200 call, where we saw addition of almost 41 lakh shares with premium at 54. For 25,300 call, we saw addition of 31 lakh shares with premium at 22. And on the put side, 25,000 put has seen addition of almost 33 lakh shares with premium at 17. And in 25,100 put, we saw addition of almost 30 lakh shares with premium at 39. With this, important levels for Nifty, support is seen now at 25,100 and resistance is now at 25,300 or above that. For Nifty Bank, support is seen at 51,260 and resistance is 51,700. That is the recent high. In stocks to focus, 4 stocks are in the band. New entrant is RBL, and 3 stocks that are still existing in the band. Those are AB Fashion, Balampur Chini, and Hindustan Copper.
Some important levels to watch out for. Sudarshan, thanks a lot for sharing that update on the F&O side as well.